Right, so today I want to delve into a theory that Mark Gurman gave us that I have a feeling is not a theory because, let's be honest, Gurman has a lot of inside information about Apple and their plans, and so it's likely that he's mentioning this as a theory, but it's actually a leak, and he's actually heard about this. And that's the fact Apple could sell the SE2 alongside the SE3, so let's delve into it, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so Gurman told us there is a chance in selected markets the SE2 could live on and become an even cheaper way to buy a new iPhone. So I believe the price he threw around was $249. Now that would be a significant discount, $150 less, but I think that's the perfect price point where we can actually forgive and dismiss the archaic design. But to be honest, I do kinda have a feeling that might be too good of a deal because obviously we know the SE3 is gonna have the A15 chip and also 5G support, and well, I don't think that alone's enough to pay $150 more to get the SE3. Now Gurman did say select markets, and so it's possible that countries with a lower average selling price could get the SE2 to encourage more sales. But personally, I don't think it's a bad idea to keep the SE2 around with the range worldwide. But I don't think it should be $249, I do think that's too cheap. Personally, $299, $100 less. I feel like that still gives you an incentive to get the new SE. And I'm praying we do see other changes with the SE3, maybe 128 gigs of base storage, maybe MagSafe, a larger battery to accommodate for the fact there's going to be 5G in this phone. Those tiny changes could incentivize consumers to get the SE3 over a cheaper SE2 in the range. But either way guys, I'm very much excited for a cheaper SE. I do think $299 for the SE2 is a pretty killer deal, and ultimately today's Apple wants you to buy into their services, and so making these iPhones more affordable is going to help Apple massively long term because of course they get more users that can use their services. And by the way guys, there was a recent report suggesting the SE3 could be $279, so it's likely this was actually referring to the SE2 getting cheaper in the range. Alternatively, Apple can make the SE3 into an SE Plus, recycle the 8 Plus design, and offer that for $399, and then of course the smaller SE we have right now lives on at a cheaper price. That would be perfect in my opinion, but of course we have not heard much about the SE3 getting larger. There were some rumours regarding an iPhone 8 Plus style SE Plus, but that never materialised, and so yes, I do think that project has been cancelled. Anyways guys, tell me your thoughts. Do you think a cheaper SE2 could cannibalise the upcoming SE3 that Apple's going to launch? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPhone 15 series, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.